new arrival. This is our QLQ's new slider mounting machine. Its name is Nylon Zipper Double Slider Mounting Machine. It is used for mounting double sliders for nylon zipper. It is especially used for anti-radiation uniforms. Different from the traditional slider mounting way, this machine can mount 2 sliders at the same time. It has many advantages including small size, fast production speed and simple operation. It is used for top and bottom pulling sliders, double closed end sliders and double top stop sliders. For details and price of this machine, PLS feel free to contact us by email, sales@qlqcompany.com.